Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a 1956 Bulova gold-plated Art Deco piece. As you can see, a very beautiful, elegant ladies mechanical watch in very good condition with the original gold-plated bracelet as well. As you can see, we have a very simple classic dial design. We have the Arabic numerals from 1 to 12. And then we also have here a 12 o'clock Swiss made. We have a rectangular dial, and also the watch crystal is rectangular and domed. As you can see, a very interesting shape. We have a very nicely decorated gold plated case. As you can see, all the details here on the sides, and also a 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, so very beautiful design. Then we have the sign crown. As you can see, we can read Bulova here on the crown, so that is a very nice touch as well. Then we have this gold plated extensible, so flexible watch bracelet that can actually extend so that you can put your wrist inside, and then it is going to shorten itself in order to fit your hand, so that is something very beautiful. We have here on the back Bulova L6, so this actually tells us that this watch is from 1956, and here we have the serial number. When we are going to open the watch, you can actually tell that this is a gold-plated piece. Here guys, we can observe the movement. As you can see, 17 jewels, and also here we have Bulova Watch Co. You can see that the watch is ticking. It is working very good. You can see the balance wheel ticking, and also you can see that the movement is very clean, so very nice condition of this piece. Also we can see that the back case is in very nice condition as well, and also it is signed inside. As you can see, Bulova, and then we have New York stainless steel, and the fact that this is a 10K gold plated piece. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. If you're interested in purchasing this watch, make sure to check out the link in the description below, or go to vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of pieces online for sale. And also, if you enjoy this type of content guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.